Hi everybody, welcome back to Beth Unboxes. I'm Beth and today we're going to check out the June Ice Cream Beauty Bag. If you are not familiar with Ice Cream Beauty, it is a beauty subscription company. You have the option of a bag or a box. I get the bag. The bag is $12.50 per month. You should get 3 to 5 items per bag. The bags will be mostly makeup, but it can also include skincare items. So I'm excited to check and see what's in the one for June. Now, you may have noticed that I already put out an Ice Cream Beauty Bag this month. It's because I signed up for the subscription the end of May without realizing that it was going to get me the May bag the beginning of June. So I went ahead and did a video for that one. This is actually the June bag in June. So I'm excited to see what we got in this one. Our first item is from Gerard Cosmetics, and this is the Light 'em Up Lip Gloss. And this is in the shade Navel. Maybe that's Navel Orange. Let's hope. Ooh, it is. It is like a navel orange. I love that. That is a super pretty color. It does have a mirror on it and a very tightly capped lid. And that is going to be a, oh, that is, oh, it's a light. Oh my gosh. I thought that was a reflector from my, my ring light, but this lets you see your lips while you're putting it on. That is so cute. We have a light. Okay. That's pretty stinking cool. That's why it's called Light 'em Up. I get it now. So this is a really cool lip gloss from Gerard Cosmetics. Our next item is from ZC, and it has a cute little kitty cat on the front of it. And this is cellophane wrap, so I'm going to unwrap it. We have the cute little kitty cat packaging from ZC, and pretty sure this is an eyeshadow palette from what spoilers I've seen. Oh, here we go. This one has a cute little helpful little tab to get it open because I was trying to go at it with my scissors. All right, so this one is, oh my goodness, how cute is that? A shiny little palette, and it has the kitty cat picture on the front of it too. And this is, the back of it just says colorful animal 4-color eyeshadow. So, ooh, pretty. Oops, I lost a little slip of plastic, but you can see the pans in there. We have a really pretty, that purple one, you can see it's got different shades in it, and the pink one's got cute little cat paws on it, and then we have these two colors over here. This is a gorgeous little palette. I like that, and this one looks like it's going to be sparkly. So really pretty colors. I love those. They are not very big though. The pans are about the size of the end of your finger, but it's just a cute little palette for having a cute little palette. I like that cute little palette. Okay, so the last item is four eyeshadows. So this bag technically has 6 items in it. So we have 4 eyeshadow colors. I'm trying to see what the colors, okay. This one we have a matte black, and this says it's for pros by pros, so this is Crown Cosmetics. This next one is kind of a shimmery, kind of purpley color. I really like that one. And our next one is a taupey brown color. It's not as gold as it's picking up on the camera, but it is a really pretty color. And the last one is more of a chocolatey brown. And this one's called Chocolate Ganache, so there you go. So we have 2 kind of brownish colors, and a black and a pretty purpley color. The black one might be good for using as an eyeliner if you want to, or if you do a good black eye, use it for a good smoky eye. That would also be pretty, or just adding a bit of depth into your other colors just to deepen those colors. Those would be really pretty. So we got 6 items in this Ice Cream Beauty Bag for $12.50 plus shipping. Wowzers, you guys, that's amazing. I'm loving this subscription so far. That's a lot of stuff for $12.50. I'm amazed. If you guys enjoyed this video also and you would like to see more content like this, please hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, hit that notifications bell so you don't miss out on future uploads. For now, I want to thank you so much for joining me on Beth Unboxes, and I hope you have a great rest of your day. Bye-bye.